In this video, we're delving into the intriguing world of psychological tricks that seduction masters use to capture a woman's affection. Numerous studies suggest that understanding how to stimulate the most delicate areas of her brain can significantly increase your chances of winning her over, so stay tuned as we unravel these sophisticated techniques designed to penetrate her subconscious through skillful manipulation of its most vulnerable points. Each trick is a subtle yet powerful strategy backed by psychological insights that can make the process of attracting any woman smoother. It's all about tapping into the art of seduction intricacies of the mind and creating a connection that goes beyond the surface. Don't miss a moment of this material, as each revelation is a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the art of seduction. And as a bonus, the last trick we uncover will provide you with a quick and easy way to access her mind, giving you an edge in the pursuit of connection. So let's not waste any time, hit play, absorb the knowledge, and empower yourself with the psychological tools that can enhance your interactions. If you find these insights valuable, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of seduction. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the first. The Benjamin Franklin effect trick. The Benjamin Franklin effect, a psychological phenomenon that can make the process of attracting a woman a bit easier, named after the wise founding father. This effect suggests that we can increase our attractiveness to someone by asking them for a small favor. Here's the fascinating part. When a person does a favor for us, it triggers a change in how they perceive us. They start to internally justify their actions, thinking something along the lines of, if I'm doing this favor, it must be because I find this person attractive. It's a subtle yet effective way to shift their perspective to apply this method. Start with small favors. Example, ask Maria to small favors, grab you a drink or a snack, or request something as simple as a piece of paper or a pen. The idea is to create opportunities for these small interactions that can gradually build a positive connection. It's like planting the seeds of attraction through shared moments, making her subconsciously associate being helpful with feeling drawn to you. Stay tuned for more tricks. And if you have any questions or want further details, drop a comment below. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Research exploring the impact of prolonged eye contact has unveiled an interesting way to shape the perceptions others have of us when applied to interactions with eye contact. Someone you're interested in? This technique can work wonders in making your eyes appear highly attractive. The key is to maintain eye contact while engaging in conversation. Here's how to do it. Look into her eyes and hold the gaze for about 3.5 seconds. Afterwards, smoothly shift your focus to another point as if it's a completely ordinary transition. This deliberate act creates an impression that you're peering deep into her essence. It communicates a sense of uniqueness and subtly encourages a desire for more of those captivating gazes in the future. So next time you're conversing, repeat her name with that special someone. Try incorporating this method to add a touch of allure to your eyes and create a connection that goes beyond words. It's a simple yet effective way to make her feel valued and leave a lasting impression. The third trick is to repeat her name, which is a seemingly simple gesture. Mentioning and remembering a woman's name can make a remarkable impact. Our name is one of the most important words in our lives, and by repeating a woman's name in conversation, her subconscious mind will perceive you as someone familiar and trustworthy. That's because not all men pay attention in the spirit of Aristotle's rhetoric, which stresses the power of persuasion through effective communication. Mentioning and remembering a woman's name establishes familiarity and trust. Aristotle's teachings on ethos, logos, and pathos find resonance in the art of seduction, where building trust is paramount. By doing this, you set yourself apart and establish yourself as a unique individual automatically piquing her interest. Use this strategy during your conversation by asking her name and mentioning it 3 times if you enjoy what you're hearing. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. We've got a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you now. Contagious positivity. Let's dive into the 4th trick, contagious positivity. One of the simplest yet most powerful tools in your arsenal is a genuine smile. Why? Well, it turns out that smiling is like a magic wand. When it comes to winning a woman's favor, the secret lies in the fascinating world of mirror neurons and their psychological impact on those around you. Here's the scoop: when you flash a warm smile at a woman, your mirror neurons come into play. These little brain cells create a sort of emotional dance, causing her to unconsciously mirror your positive vibes. It's like a happy contagion. When she feels that surge of happy contagion, happiness, she'll associate it with you, making you come across as pleasant, positive, and downright desirable. So the next time you find yourself in a conversation with that special someone, let your smile work its magic. Not only will it make her day a little brighter, but it'll also etch a positive image of you in her subconscious mind. It's a simple trick, but the impact can be profound. The 5th trick is called the chameleon effect, and it's a neat way to make people like you without them even realizing it. Back in 1999, a study discovered that folks are naturally drawn to those who copy their actions. So if you want to be more likable, give the chameleon effect, a try. Here's how it works. Pay close attention to the person you're talking to, especially their movements and gestures. Then subtly mimic some of those behaviors during your conversation. It might sound a bit strange, but this simple trick can make the other person feel a stronger connection with you. They'll notice these little similarities in the way you act, even in the tiniest gestures, and it can make them feel more comfortable and friendly towards you. So next time you're chatting with someone interesting, channel your inner chameleon and see the magic happen. Now let's explore the 6th move, subtle physical contact. Science has our back on this one, confirming that physical touch plays a significant role. Subtle physical contact in deepening the connection between 2 individuals. The beauty of it lies in its ability to convey emotions and nurture a sense of closeness. To up the attractiveness quotient, focus on subtle touches to areas like the shoulders, forearms, lower back, and waist. It's like a silent language that speaks volumes about your feelings. To incorporate this into your interactions, seize both planned and natural opportunities. For instance, when the music starts playing, ask her to dance a planned chant that opens the door for physical contact. Similarly, during more spontaneous moments, like helping her cross the street, find ways to establish that gentle touch. This bold yet considerate strategy is generally well received and can work as a catalyst for speeding up the development of your relationship. So don't shy away from a little touch here and there. It's a subtle yet effective move that can add a layer of intimacy to your connection. Now on to the 7th trick, the power of making her laugh. Science has backed up what many already knew. A good sense of humor is like a secret weapon for connecting with a woman's mind. It's a known fact that women are generally drawn to men who can tickle their funny bones. Here's the science behind it. When someone laughs, science behind laughter, their brain releases endorphins, those magical hormones associated with pleasure. So when you successfully make the woman you're interested in laugh, you're not just increasing your attraction level, you're also activating her brain to link pleasure with you. It's like creating a positive association with your presence. If you're looking for tips on how to master the art of making a woman laugh, stay tuned. Feel free to drop a comment asking for more tips, and we'll make sure to share some humor. Inspiring insights. Laughter is a universal language that can break down barriers and build connections. So why not sprinkle some joy into your interactions? Let's delve into the 8th trick, Exuding confidence. Confidence is like a magnetic force in the realm of attraction. Possessing a unique charm and influence, women are naturally drawn to men who carry themselves with self-assurance, those who live by their own standards without constantly seeking approval from others. Picture this: a confident man who knows his own value and doesn't resort to begging for affection. If he's interested in a woman, he doesn't go out of his way seeking her approval. He simply continues being his authentic self. This mindset of not relying on external validation significantly boosts your allure and elevates your perceived value in their eyes. It's not about exerting the rule of minimum effort. It's about applying the rule of minimum effort. This principle is all about confidently being yourself and not overthinking or trying too hard. If you're curious to learn more about the rule of minimum effort, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to elaborate. Remember, confidence is not about arrogance. It's about a quiet assurance that speaks volumes. The ninth trick is the Lisberg tip effect. This fascinating psychological phenomenon refers to the importance of the first impression you make on someone, whether positive or negative. It is said that the first impression makes the person believe that your entire life is in line with what they see at first glance. For example, the first impression. When you first see a comedian, you might think that their life revolves around constantly making jokes and generating laughter. Although we know this is not always the case, this influence lies in its ability to shape the first impression you leave. By simplifying the process of conquest, maximize the first impression you make on a woman for her to see you as the man she wants. It's important to be thoughtful about yourself, including taking careful care of your personal appearance, your way of expressing yourself verbally, and your mannerisms. Other tricks explained in this video. And of course, do not forget the Stoic Diary. Most importantly, subscribe to this channel. The 10th tip. The power of posture is the power of posture. Various studies have shown that our body posture can reveal a lot about our emotions, self-esteem levels, and what we expect from others. Let's focus on how to present yourself as a powerful man to the woman we are interested in. Some postures that reflect strength include keeping arms and legs open, keeping shoulders straight, raising the head slightly as if you are looking towards the horizon, and sitting with your back straight in the space available. When a woman sees you with proper posture, her appreciation for you increases. Most men do not understand the importance of maintaining good posture, whether standing or sitting, and not paying attention to it often makes them appear less confident in front of women. They are attracted to men who take care of their posture, make it easier for her to open up to them, transmitting an aura of security and confidence that she wants. I appreciate that you have watched this video, and I hope that these tips are very valuable to you. Consider sharing it with those who need to see it, and offer your perspective in the comment section, because knowledge must be shared to flourish. And until next time.